Get more contractor leads. This is a done-for-you quote calculator that'll be installed in 48 hours. Most of the time I can do it as long as I get the information, which I'll go over later in this video, within a reasonable amount of time. I could do it within 24 hours, and I can have one of these premier professional lead generation calculators installed on your site literally within the same day in any niche, whether you're a contractor, you're a local business, you're a marketer, it doesn't matter. I can build a calculator for you and have it the turnaround time, the latest 48 hours, but within most of the time, as long as I get that information from you, which I'll show you how to do, like I said earlier, within 24 hours. So stop losing bid. Your website needs a quote calculator, and here's why. I'm doing this for this demo version. This is just one of many calculators that I've built. I've probably got over 100 on this site. This is a general contractor cost calculator, free renovation estimator. And this is just a sample of what you could have. I can do custom builds as well. But for this one, you can see all the different, it's got a logo here. General contractor renovation estimator, project details, select the project type. You can see how in-depth this is. Square footage, material and quality level, difficulty level, home age you can select from, new, modern, the year of the home, existing conditions, got good, fair, poor, labor, material, labor hours, hour labor rate, material costs, additional costs. You got debris removal, permit fees, and these are all add-ons. You can select these if you want. If you don't want to, you don't have to. Different add-on services, markup and tax, markup percentage, sales tax, and once you enter all this into here, it'll give you an estimate. You can print your estimate. You can restart it, reset it, and then do this over again until you get it right. And that's just one of many calculators. So I'll show you some more on this site, and then I'm going to show you how to order your own personalized calculator. Now, you can pick any calculator on this site, and I can have it over to you within 24 hours. If you want it customized, it might take up to 48 hours, depending on how much customizations you want. But it's going to be a quick turnaround time. And here here's a roof cost estimator. As you can see, some of my other calculators I have on the site. Roofer's Edge, roofing cost calculator. That's that right there. And once you put the inputs in, it shows up on the right-hand side here. Very cool looking calculator. With a lot of functions. You got an HVAC one. Very in-depth, a lot of options with this one. Very professional. These are very good at lead generation. So if you're an HVAC, you want one of these installed on your site. This is going to increase the time on your site. It's going to get people filling out the form. It's going to increase leads. It's going to increase engagement. And it's going to get people, contacting you so you get more jobs as a business owner. So these are excellent tools that are great lead generation tools for your business. And we're going to go back here. There's a plumbing one here. Same basic concept as the other one. You fill out the form. It comes over on the right-hand side, and everything's filled out. I can show you real quick. Problem severity, we'll put severe. Cost breakdown. And you can manually put this in. Labor hours, we'll say 8 hours. Hourly rate, 100. Material markup, put however that applies to you. Calculate the estimate, and there you go. Then you got your cost breakdown, your materials, material markup, material total, and you can see right here, and you can print the estimate, refresh it, and start again. I got marketing calculators. This is one right here. And this is actually a free one I'm giving away. Lead generation calculator right there. Instant price quote. I've got all kinds of different calculators on this site. So if you are a contractor, which this video is geared towards, of any type. You own a local business, you want a personalized calculator, that's fine to you. What you're going to do next is go over to right here, and the link's going to be directly below. Done for you website calculator install service. Pick any calculator from my site or request a custom one. I install it for you with a clean embed and simple setup. So what you're going to do is click one of these buttons here. You can read more about it on the sales page here. And you can see some samples of what I can do. When you click Start My Build, you're going to make payment. After payment, to make this as easy as possible for the both of us, you're going to be directed to a form where all you got to do is fill out that form. Give me your details, where you want the calculator installed, how do you want it to look, et cetera, and be as specific as possible. As soon as I get those details, I can start working on it. The quicker I get those, the more in-depth they are, the better your calculator is going to be for your site, or I should say lead generation tool, because that's basically what it is. It's going to bring people into your site where they can get estimates on their site. You can have one for yourself. If you're a contractor, you want to work out numbers, you can do that as well. You can do both of them. Whatever you want to do. What it's going to do, though, is going to drive leads for your business, get your phone ringing, obviously, and start bringing you business in. More business just from a simple calculator that's useful for your visitors and your potential customers. So click Start My Build. That's it. You'll be directed to a form. Fill it out, and I will get started ASAP on building out your lead generation tool, aka custom calculator. And if you want to contact me beforehand, if you have any questions, my email will be below. It's affiliatelessons@jaysonlinereviews.com. Just check below in the video description for those two links. And if you have any more questions, contact me by email or shoot me a comment in the comment section below. And like I said, click this link and you can read more about it. Check around on my site for the different calculators, lead generation tools I've already built, so you can see what's going on and you get a basic idea of what I can do, etc. So with that being said, hope to hear from you. Thanks for watching this video, and hope to hear from you soon. Take care. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe for all future video updates.